Y'all, I'm about to show out at that party. How you doing?
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her wine today because y'all, listen, it's been a minute. Gotta ease myself back into it. You hear me? Ooh, that's good. That's good. Nurse that, nurse that. Now, I know it is Wigmas, so your girl is coming through with the giveaways all month. And I know my favorite gift to give away during this time are wigs. But I also added something else a little special this year. They are Wig Bae gift bags. And I have partnered with some of my favorite Black-owned brands that I have personally shopped with this year. And I wanted to share them with you guys. With that, you get a special edition Wig Bae tote bag. You also get a collaborative Wig Bae t-shirt and candle from the brand Good Vibes. Let me just tell you, her t-shirt, sweatpants, sweatshirts, all her apparel is super soft. I actually gifted Ken a t-shirt last year and he went on his own and purchased more because he loves the quality of her t-shirts. And that's saying something because my man is real picky. And the crystal candles will put you in the mood. I got all four and they're each in different parts of the house because I be feeling different vibes in different parts of the house. You know what I'm saying? And I've also included a $55 gift certificate to one of my favorite dessert brands in the DMV, Sweet Poetry Cakery. When I tell you her homemade desserts are top tier, I mean it. Okay, the peanut butter cookies, I need them immediately. So not only will you be comfortable in your t-shirt and smelling the good vibes all around you, but you also can sip on your wine and eat your desserts. Okay, she got cakes and everything. Cakes, pies, all of it. So make sure you are reading the pinned comment in the videos this month to enter the giveaways. And for those of you guys who don't win the giveaway, don't worry. I got the coupon codes for the hair and the goodies. It's Wigmas. But anywho, we are here for the wig. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is my third time trying this color and my second time trying this color and texture together. And Nadula is the only one that I've tried this color with. They initially only had this on a Jerry curly texture, but I asked them to make it on a kinky curly, and they did. And that wig is one of my favorite wigs on my channel to date. This color is gorgeous. I love this color on me, and I'm so excited because they came with the pre-cut, pre-plucked joint with the bye-bye knots. Before I tint my let me go ahead and give it a little whole bath. My little travel dry shampoo, because I know my other one ran out. The unit does have a chemical smell, so you will want to wash your wig, okay? This is just for styling purposes. Normally, I don't wear the wig all day if I do a whole bath. I just do it for the video and then I pop it off and I go wash it, okay? So don't be telling me I wore my wig for a week on a whole bath and my scalp is irritated. Ooh. That's the gift that keeps on giving. We don't want that kind of scalp. And make sure you're wearing a wig cap, especially if you're not washing your wig right away. You don't want to have those chemicals on your head, okay? I'm gonna use my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder. I'm gonna put that all around my hairline, especially around the front edge, because the knots are bleached in the back of the wig, meaning about a ½ inch back. That's where it's bleached at. The front edge or the front hairline is not super bleached, so you will see that line of demarcation on your lace, so you will need to blend it down. Let me wipe some of that off. I did a lot. Mine did come with the adjustable elastic band. However, my little hook over here, my little tab part right here is coming apart. So Nadula, make sure you're checking your stitching. I'm not trying to have my wig slide back in the middle of the day because my elastic band is, you know, not working. Please don't pop off, child. I would definitely say this unit is more big hit associate than big hit friendly. It's mainly short on the sides because it is a closure wig, but y'all see it does pull back right here. But it's also a little short in the back. Takes a little pulling to get it down there. It'll stretch, but I don't want it to be too tight on my head. Let me pull it back a little bit. I'm not a Klingon. The parting space is looking really good. Now I'm testing out this hair for Ken's holiday party tomorrow. This is the first function that I've been to in his new squadron. Mind you, we've been stationed here for about 2+ years. Kenny was gone most of that time from deployments and stuff. And I'm not going on base by myself. For what? I'm I'm not that type of military spouse, okay? Let's be clear. So I wanna make a good impression, and that starts with this. I'm gonna use my Nairobi Mousse. I did get a new bottle recently. 2 pumps, pat that around. My sides are really short. Since my hair is cornrowed back, I gotta blend in using the wig. Y'all see how I did that? You're pretty much teasing it up with your finger. That's what those swirly and swishes do. Let me bring it down some. I don't want to spray you down, but I will. Nadula always sends me a band. I like it, Nadula. Why does this feel softer? Wrap it down. For the hair, I'm just going to define my curls. I'm going for a half up style on this wig. I wore the other Jerry Curly one out like this. I wore the kinky curly one out like this and in an up style. This one I'm doing a half up, half down with my closure because that's the look that I'm going for. I don't want no hair in my face. The hair doesn't feel super thick. It actually feels very lightweight, but it still seems full. Like it's not gappy at all. Top it with water. Roll my sleeves up because your girl about to get to work. Put the Nairobi Mousse all over the hair. The Jerry Curly hair doesn't take as much time to get the curls defined as a kinky curly because it's a lot looser texture. So if you want a looser curl but you still want a noticeable curl, get the Jerry Curly. I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, but I do have the Camille Rose brush also linked in my Amazon store, so either one of those brushes will work. Let me get some water up under here so I don't gotta use too much product. Make sure I get my ends. Can't be having a cute wig with your ends looking ratty. I am getting some shedding with this wig, which is to be expected. It's a curly unit and it has been color treated. The hair did not grow like this. They created this color and this curl. Even though I do consider Nadula to be a fast fashion brand, they are pretty consistent when it comes to what they offer. Especially for this color right here, it's not horrible. Now, if you're getting like an all over color like the auburn or like the reddish brown, the hair quality is gonna be a little bit more degraded because you're color treating the entire wig. Do your finger coils on the ends. Make sure you also get up here at the root, clump up there to add some lift. Scrunch it up, scrunch it up. They didn't send me any extra clips, but don't worry because they sent me some before and I still have them. So I'm just gonna clip it up in the front, let the air dry for a little bit while I do my makeup, and then we'll come back to diffuse the hair and then we're gonna style it and that'll be it. Okay, I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, dirty, dirty. Let me take off the band. She is still glueless on my head. Take my edge brush and just brush back some of those hairs. This is a mixture of my hairline and the wig up here, but the lace is back here. Not bad. Probably can bring down a little bit more of my forehead, but we'll see. Pick the clips off. With Jerry Curly, the hair is not gonna fluff up a lot. You will need to pick it if you want it to be a lot fuller. Let me take some of my contour to blend my lace. Make sure you tap it on some paper because you don't want it to be harsh. I have learned this over time, so trust me. I feel like my forehead is square over here. It's not sitting how I want it, so I gotta move this down a bit. I could just hike her up in the back because my back gonna be down anyway, so I ain't too worried about it. It gives me a little bit more room over there. Fix it again. 7 again. I was just watching Welcome Home Roscoe Jenkins. Somebody stop me. And I don't think I need to put any powder or product in my parting space. I mean, it's a little light right there. I could tint it with my powder. Let's see if that'll work. That works. It's actually really deep back there. I don't feel like I need my parting space to be that deep. So I'm actually just gonna brush and close some of that up. I'm gonna take some hairspray and just to hold it to close it up. Take my pick just to tease it up a bit. Make sure I go under, get some lift, control some of the frizz that I created when I moved my part. Like I said, I wanted to do an up style with mine, but y'all can wear it, you know, down if you want to. I'm just gonna crisscross applesauce it over like this. Cross it over. Get my bobby pin and pin it. Pin it on the other side as well. Make sure it's gonna be down how I want it. Oop. Bring some of these hairs down. I don't want my hairline to be perfectly pulled back. Keep fluffing till I get to my liking. It's a little frizzy right there. Let me get some water just right here to relax that a little bit. Because mine keeps sliding back just based on how it's fitting on my head, I'm gonna use my melt spray just right here in the front just to kind of hold this front down. Put my glasses into the wig. Make sure she's gonna sit down. It's a little breezy outside. I wanna make sure my wig is down. Let me put one more bobby pin right there because the way this is sitting, I don't like that. It's not giving the side profile that I want. You can just pin that down. That is better. I swear, one side always comes out better than the other. This side is perfect. This side has more frizz. I think because I use less product. Okay, I think that's it, y'all. Let me leave her alone. Now. Okay, y'all, I'm in love with this color and this curl on me. Y'all know I am very partial to the kinky curly wig. It gives me a little texture, it gives me that natural look, but this Jerry curly with this color looks amazing. The first time I did this texture with this color, it was the 13x4 version, and I did frizz mine up a lot because I wanted really big, messy hair. This time I kept it a little bit more defined and it looks good. That doesn't look good though. I got some ashiness on my lace that's getting clocked by my light. Let me just try to, where is it at? It's right there. Try to blend that in really quick. She was like, hello. Like, girl, relax. We know you over there, but sheesh. Let me bring some of this down because it's giving me kind of thin hairline and I don't like that. Nadula. Y'all, I'm about to show out at that party. Let me introduce myself immediately. How you doing? Now, Nadula, make sure my wig bays get a similar look, okay? Don't do too much highlight or too little. Make sure it's just enough, just like this one. Make sure y'all understand your highlights may look a little different, all right? But the color should be the same and the amount of highlight should be the same. But the placement may be a little different. Y'all, are we seeing the hairline? And where are the knots? Huh? I mean, you can see them, but can you see them? You back here, right? Yeah, I know. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.